Hello everyone, myself Ruchita Shekhar, CSC Data Science Department of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today here I am going to discuss about corrosion. Corrosion. Introduction to corrosion. Corrosion is a gradual deterioration of a material, usually a metal due to the chemical reaction with its environment. Corrosion can occur in various forms, including rusting, transit, and pitting. It is a widespread and costly problem in many industries, including manufacturing, infrastructure, and transportation. And it is also best known for its case is the rusting of steel. Corrosion is a process of usually electrochemical in the nature. Types of corrosion. Uniform corrosion occurs evenly across the surface of a metal, resulting in a general thinning of material. Galvanic corrosion happens when two dissimilar metals are in contact with each other and electrolyte, leading to more reactive metal. Crevice corrosion occurs in a narrow gaps of crevice where the stagnant water or a moisture can accumulate, accelerating corrosion. Factor influencing corrosion. Environmental factors such as humidity, temperature, and exposure to the chemical greatly influence the rate of corrosion. The presence of impurities or defects in the metal structure can make it more susceptible to corrosion. Corrosion can be accelerated by the chemical factors like stress, vibration, or friction. Factor influencing corrosion. The nature, extent to corrosion depend upon the metal and the environment. The important factors which may influence the corrosion process are nature of the metal, environment, concentration of the electrolyte, temperature, electrode potential, and hydrogen over voltage. Corrosion prevention method. Protective coating such as paint or corrosion resistance coating acts as barrier between the metal surface and corrosive environment. Cathodic protection involves applying a sacrificial anode or an impressed current to protect the metal from the corrosion. Proper material selection considering the corrosive environment can significantly reduce the likelihood of the corrosion. Corrosion monitoring techniques. Visual inspection is a simple and effective method to detect the monitor corrosion. Electrochemical techniques such as polarization, resistance, and electrochemical impedance spectroscopy provide quantitative data on corrosion rates. Non-destructive testing method, including ultrasonic testing and radiography, can identify hidden corrosion without damaging the material. Corrosion control in infrastructure. Infrastructure such as bridges and buildings are vulnerable to the corrosion due to the exposure to the element and environment condition. Regular inspection and maintenance can be identify and address corrosion issues before they become severe. Corrosion resistant material and protective coating are commonly used to infrastructure project and extended to the lifespan. Corrosion in the oil and gas industry. Corrosion in the oil and gas industry can lead to the equipment failure, leaks, and environment hazards. Corrosion control measures including corrosion inhibitors and cathodic protection system and crucial for ensuring the integrity of the pipelines and storage tanks. Regular inspection and monitoring programs are implementing to identify and migrate corrosion related risks. Corrosion is a automotive industry. Automotive component, particularly those exposed to the road salt and moisture, are susceptible to the corrosion. Galvanizing, electroplasting, and use of corrosion resistant alloys are common method to protect automotive parts from the corrosion. Regular washing and waxing of vehicles was prevent the accumulation of corrosion substance and prolong their lifespan. Corrosion in the marine industry. The marine environment poses significant challenges for the corrosion control due to the presence of salt water and the constant exposure to the moisture. Sacrificial anodes, cathode, protection of system, and anti-fouling coating are essential for the preventing corrosion on ships, off spores, platform, and marine structure. Routine maintenance and inspection are necessary to identify and address corrosion issues promptly. Corrosion in aerospace industries. Corrosion in aerospace industry can compromise the structural integrity and safety of aircraft. Aircraft are protected from the corrosion through the use of corrosion-resistant alloys, protective coating and regular maintenance. Non-destructive testing techniques such as steady current inspection and utilized to detect hidden corrosion in crucial aircraft components. Impact of corrosion on the economy. Corrosion related costs including repair, replacement and loss of productivity amount to billions of dollars annually. Industries heavily impacted by the corrosion such as oil and gas, transportation and infrastructure face significant financial burden. Effective corrosion prevention and control strategies can save substantial costs and extend the lifespan of assets. Conclusion. Corrosion is a pervasive problem in various industries, leading to the material degradation, equipment failure, and economic losses. Understanding the type and factors influencing corrosion is vital for implementing effective prevention and control measures. Constant vigilance, regular inspection, and protective maintenance are key to mitigating the impact of corrosion on infrastructure, equipment, and the economy. And it is a natural degenerative process affecting metals, non-metals, and even biological systems like human body. Corrosion of engineering material lead to the significant losses. An understanding of basic principles of the corrosion and the application in the designs and maintenance of the engineering system result in the reducing loss and considerably.